Very good morning, guys. Let's begin with our today's alumni meet, where we will be exploring, we'll be understanding what all kinds of questions uh, they got in interviews, how they answered it, what was their preparation strategies, how did they present each and every topic in the interviews, if it is online interviews, how it went on. All of that we will be looking at it one by one. Okay, and we'll be talking a lot of place students in my today's session. So the very first candidate for the day, I would be inviting Uday. Let me just unmute him. Very good morning, Uday.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Very good morning. So let's start with your qualification, year of pass out, percentage, from which place you are. When did you complete your engineering? Which course did you take here? And when did you get placed? Which company you got placed? Please do let us know all of these things.
Okay, so good morning, everyone. This is Uday. Actually, I've completed my engineering in 2020. I'm a 2020 passed out. I did my engineering from Dhananand Sahar College of Engineering in a stream of Information Science and Engineering. So actually, I took 5 years, which is very funny. And I think sir is aware of this thing. I met him personally, and there's a lot of things uh, was with me. My percentage is very low. It's not that good. Even being from the good college, so I was not that good in academic. But yeah, I got placed in Capgemini. That was the second company which I set for, and they have given me a very good package, really very good package. So yeah, so I'm happy with that.
Right. So this was a quick introduction from Uday. So Uday, please tell us what all interview questions did they ask you, and this was really a confidence giving for other students. That percentage doesn't matter.
Yes, yes,
The number of years you
yes,
took
yes.
to complete engineering doesn't matter. So let's start with the first question. How many calls did you get per week?
Oh, if I tell the per week, it will be more than 20, 25, 30, 40. It can be anything. For me, it was really like lot of calls. Till now, I'm getting, even though I just deactivated my account, but still I'm getting very good companies and all, like MNC, CGI and all, like DXC, this kind of company. They are contacting me. But no, I would say the moment I uploaded my profile, the next day I start getting the calls. I got from MNC's company and the startups, like a well-known company in India. So yeah, it was really a good thing. And the question, if I
Right.
tell the question, the type of question, they were asking the basic things. Even I was scared of things like what kind of question they're gonna ask. Actually, they ask the basic things. They actually observe us. They notice us. Are we able to this like qualify? Like not in that. Like are we good enough to set with this developer team or the experienced people? Are we have the basic knowledge about the technology and all? So they actually, even if you answer a bit here and there, not exact answer, they'll just notice you. The first round is very important. Once you clear, and everybody who all are listening, I must tell them the first interview is very much the first round is very much important. Once you get clear the first round, other round, the interviewers is gonna respect you. They're gonna, even if you answer something which is they are not respect, if you'll answer that thing, they'll listen to you. And they won't reject. I have seen that people telling the rejection in second round or the third round, fourth round. It's nothing like that. First round is important. If you clear that thing, other round will be
So Uday,
damn
you're
easy.
stressing
And you
on
are
first round is very important. I just want to interrupt you in between. What
yeah,
questions
yeah.
did they ask you in first round?
But the first round it was a totally basic thing. So they have asked me about
Basics,
that.
when you say, can you just tell us some questions?
Yeah, yeah. Like the so what is polymorphism, the abstraction, and this like interface, the constructor. These are the basic thing, and the hash map, hash table, hash tray. and the array list. These are the basic things which you already have taught us, like very deep, the deep things. So these are the basic things of core Java they've asked, and then a few things about the project and all. Because then project stuff, these all ask in your second or third round, and make sure that it will be fun. It will be fun. They won't be asking something like write something code and all. They'll just try to understand you what you have done. Are you laughing or seriously you have done that thing? So they'll sit there and listen to you. Nothing more. They won't ask you the counter question and all. No, because I've been through the three companies. So for the second company I got, so I decided to go with the Capgemini. So yeah, which all company I said it was really good and had a really nice experience with all of them.
Right. So the OOPS concept, okay,
Yeah,
very
yeah, yeah.
important.
It's really important. Once anyone who is here who's gonna join us, I would definitely tell, please focus on OOPS. The 90 days of program which you guys are going to join, only 30 days is very important. I must tell them, like it is really fact, because I know the thing. 30 days is really important. You cannot skip the beginning of 30 days, because once you learn the basic, you'll have the great confidence. As like 90 days of program means 90 days you can clear it. There's nothing like you have to wait for 10 or 15 days, because I'll tell my things. I joined the PSA, and right after the my course get completed, in the second day I uploaded, and I would tell 3 or 4 days I got selected. The first interview was very I got nervous in the first interview, but yeah, the second was, and the third, fourth was really good. I got selected for all of them. Yeah, this was
Right.
all the things. Yeah.
So one, core Java. 50% to 60% of your interview is dependent on that, as the discussion we are having. And this is the experience of Uday Kumar, who has got placed in a couple of companies and attended many interviews. And take this very seriously, all the students studying here, that you have to be very good with Java. Because if you're not good with Java, the further rounds, you will not be promoted. Correct? Okay.
Yes,
Now,
yes,
coming to
yes.
the next point, Uday, can you just tell us, did you skip your return test?
Almost everywhere I skip the what do you call the assessment, this kind of thing. Most of the company
So,
which you are asking,
how
it can
happy,
be those. Yeah,
how happy you were
I
after
have.
skipping the return test?
I would say that I'm the one person who was most happy in this. Like the first getting this the job kind of I got. So this skip this what do you I would say, this skipping the test and all. It's not for the all company. They won't ask you, because you will be going through the some process. The PSA is providing the internal hiring. These all the stuff are there. But if you're going through that, it will be damn easiest thing, and you all are going to get a job, or you all are getting
So,
to going to
Uday, a lot
place.
of people have been messaging, what's your package? How much is your package? I'm taking all this, students'
Uh,
questions. I'm seeing that. So let's start with
uh-huh.
the students' questions. What's your package?
It's 5.5 LPA.
5.5 LPA package is what
Yeah,
they have offered you, right?
yeah.
So I've been
Even
seeing chain of messages.
yeah, other companies like they were really giving me a good package. The other one, they also, because of this, Capgemini was the first, so I decided to go with that. The other company, they asked me why you're not joining us, this kind of stuff, and they were like, okay, I'll try to cover up the package which other you are getting. So even I'm getting the good package. I was getting the good package, but I decided to go with Capgemini.
Okay, right. So that is, he was getting a good package, but he decided to be with Capgemini. You got placed as a developer, right? Because many students have
Yeah,
been asking this. Okay, so
yeah, I
placed as
got
a
as a
developer,
developer. Yeah.
right? Uh, Tell us more about the interviews went on online. So,
Eh,
it's a new
mm,
experience, for many people sitting
mhm,
in front of the laptop and taking
mm,
interview. So, what all basic
mm,
things before the interview,
mm,
right? You
mm.
need to keep it in your mind that, okay, this is all I need to follow before I start the interview. So, was there any things company people said that before interview I have to do such and such things? Was there anything like that?
No. The most of companies, I would say, none of the company have ever asked me to prepare this thing or that. It's like you just need a laptop. Even because I joined Capgemini through my phone, because that time my camera got freeze. So
Right.
they have just given me a time. Okay, 10 minutes you have time. So please join with the phone. So it was easy. They won't anything. Just you have to
So
good with
ultimately,
the technical
confidence
stuff.
matters, even if there is a
Confidence matter.
breakage.
Yes.
Yeah, right. So that is one very important key factor. You need to be confident, because if you're confident, definitely yes. Okay, you would be able to tackle the situation. Okay, now let's move ahead a bit further.
Yes.
How
Yes. Yes.
many hours per day you were studying,
Hmm.
Uday? Can you please tell us more about it? And
Uh,
what was your
yeah. Yeah.
revision
So this is
strategy?
the. So well, I would tell from the beginning, I was a bit crazy kind of guy. I was studying 10 to 15 hours per day. I would tell you the definitely story because I was really weak. I was absolute zero in technical things, really, because I failed a lot of time in my life. I know that thing, but I have a confidence because I follow a few steps. Like first was the belief that the day I joined, okay, after 90 days, I'm gonna get this, and I believe in the process and the progress. Which sir keep telling us every day. So these are the things, and I never skip. Like even on the Saturday, Sunday, people used to like, okay, you can enjoy anything. I keep my things very simple. I'm not going to distract with any kind of stuff, any kind of, because for me it was really hard because I was more into the social things, more into the friend. So for 90 days, I've given my first 30, 45 days, 60 days, I would tell it was totally 100% from my side, 110% from my side. It was dedicated to the course which I'm going through. And after 30 or 40 days, I have that confidence. I was getting that confidence. No, I'm going to get place within the.
Right. See, dedication, that's very important.
I
When
would
you
say
start your learning, you need to be focused,
that
right?
I was most into that. Every day I used to revise the same.
Right. It was almost every day revision, right? So almost 8 to 10
Uh,
hours per day you
yeah,
were
yeah,
studying, right?
yeah. So it depends. Like, yeah. So at least not less than 5 hours. If you'll give less than 5 to 4 hours, no, it will be a bit different, a little difficult for you guys to, sometimes like you'll take a more time. So why to give more time to wait for 3, 4
So Uday, you want to give some
months? Finish it
advices to your
after
juniors
like
studying
once your
here?
get course get completed. So that will. So I would definitely say the few steps like which I follow. I must tell because I feel happy to tell those who are in the kind of situation. They may be thinking of something else, something with my basic thing is once you enroll, okay, you can take 2, 3 more days time, but you think the basic is belief and the respect and focus on a progress. So every day you have to assess yourself. Are you doing this? Do not get distracted. It's just a 30, 40 days. You'll get into this stuff that things. Okay, you are going through the course. It will be fun. Enjoy. And I've seen people telling the offline and online. It really doesn't matter. I think for me, it was online. So it was really better than an offline because I can get distracted with other stuff. Coming here and there, as like time consuming and everything. So online and this all things were really helping for me. And this thing I would tell them
Right. It
everyone who
was
is going
really
to join.
confidence giving, Uday, because your words would matter a lot to other juniors here,
Hmm.
who are getting ready for the placements
Yes, sir.
in upcoming days. And definitely that will give them
Hmm.
a lot of confidence, and they would definitely follow your footsteps. Now, people, if anyone wants the Play Students contact number, do not message in the chat box. There's a support number I'm giving you, 9632629033. Now, when you call on this number, uh, they would share the contact numbers of the
Hmm.
student if you want more advices from them, inputs from them, and you want to build your strategy. So, yes, set a new benchmark. Percentage doesn't matter. I just want to ask this question on the live show, because I remember talking to Uday for almost 15-20 minutes. He had visited the institute, and I want to know how many packs you had got the first year. because that'll give a lot of confidence like, to other people that it doesn't
Oh.
matter.
I'm really I would so I used to have a 13 to 14 backlogs a year. So if so
Right.
uh,
So yeah, you know, that should give a lot of confidence now to everyone. So it doesn't matter your engineering marks, what you study in engineering. So somewhere or the other you get serious, and 13, 14 backlogs cleared all. And today, can I tell that your package is more than your percentage?
it was for 1 year. It was for one. So I would mention it was for 30. It more 30. It's been more than 30, 35.
You
I don't
have
know
some
how I
classmate
clear
here.
that.
Okay, you have some classmate
Yeah,
here. Uday was my classmate. Rahul MS
yeah, yes, yeah. That guy. Yeah, I know him. Rahul
Rahul, you
Naik.
know him as a
He
right,
spoke to me before joining the course.
Oh,
Yeah,
he's a student here.
he was my classmate. He knows everything.
Right.
Even other guy who's Rahul Bhadra is here after this placement. We both got selected for the same company. We are in touch, so we are really good friend now.
Right. Thank you so much, Uday, for joining us, giving all the inputs.
Yes.
Okay, we wish you all the best. Keep progressing, keep learning, and we want to be more and more successful in coming days. Okay. Right. Best of luck. Uday.
Yes, sir. I would definitely tell us. I'm really thankful to you, sir. You have given me a lot of things. Let it be it the technical thing. Other than I changed completely as a person, and I'm going to like inherit that thing as a for longer time. I would say for the forever. So I'm really happy and really thankful and grateful to you, sir. Yeah.
Most welcome.
So
Thanks for
thank
all
you
your
for
warm
providing these all things to me.
feedback, Uday. Thank you so much for all this warm feedback. Thank you. Okay, thanks a lot. To attend online interview,
Okay, thank you.
Wi-Fi connection needed. See, he attended from mobile phone internet. He was telling actually. We'll invite the next candidate. The next candidate we have is Syed. So let's invite Syed. Very good morning, Syed.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Right. So
Good
Syed,
morning,
quickly give us
everybody.
your introduction, from which place you are, and what's your qualification, year of pass
Okay.
out, stream, percentage, and which course did you learn here, and which company did you get placed, your package details and all. Can you please tell us?
Okay, so myself Sayed, and I'm from Aligarh, UP. And I did my engineering from here itself in 2019 pass out, and I got 68%, which was good, like okay. And based on the technical knowledge, I was like 5% to me. So in the beginning, I was very afraid of coding, and it was like I wasted a lot of time before joining Pankaj sir. And it was like five of my friends who were Pankaj sir's student. So they called me to Bangalore and like they said, just join this academy and you'll get the job. Don't worry. So I just went through him and it was pretty good in the beginning. And that's how he caters everybody. It's like the core Java thing is very important for everybody, just like Uday said. And all the interviews I attended were online, and I got placed at Newgen Soft. The location is in Mumbai. And the package is pretty good, which I did not expect clearly.
So what is
But
the
yeah,
package, Syed? Can you tell us?
well, my package is 6 LPA.
6 LPA. So you're damn happy with it?
Yeah, sir, very pretty much happy.
Very happy with it.
Very happy with it.
So let's start. You know, the whole purpose of this alumni meet is to share the interview questions
Yeah.
so that the juniors can make a note of it, and it can help them out to prepare when they start attending interviews. They already know what is the questions being asked
Yeah.
currently in industry, right? So let's start with core Java questions. Can you tell them what all they should be prepared on? What questions they are asking most of the companies?
Okay, so firstly in core Java, they'll ask about OOPS concept, like whether they ask the whole OOPS concept or they'll ask like polymorphism or inheritance, just like single things. Okay, so the next thing they'll move on to the strings. If they are giving you a question to write a program on, they'll give you the strings concept or the collections concept. So be ready with that. Okay, so there'll be like a reverse a string palindrome questions for the code. And in collections, they'll be asking hash map internal working. I've been asked many times internal workings of the hash map or hash table. So I just went through all the lectures and everything, data. I got myself ready. And like it's a long process. No, it's a long process. It's not a 1 day process, and you just can't teach yourself in 1 day. The timing that sir took like 90 days. It's enough for everybody to go through all the things, all the things, and just go through the program flow which he made, and you'll be very successful. At the end of the program, you'll be available for any job with a good salary.
Right. So core Java questions has been told by him. Sayed has already mentioned that. Let's move ahead a bit further. Sayed,
Yeah.
you please tell us the next thing. Advanced Java, what questions did they ask you?
In advanced Java, they'll be asking about servlets and something like request dispatcher. What are the purposes? What's the use? A response, the keywords, and JSP. They'll be asking about JSP. What all you can do in the JSPs, the script, the tags of the JSPs, JSTL, this all, and then we just move to the project thing. They'll ask about the project. What you did in that project is the main thing. You know, just keep in mind the things which you did in the project, because that's what you are going to explain there. That's the main thing. Just keep in mind the annotations which you used and where you used. That's the most important thing.
Right. So
Yeah,
annotations, very important.
very important.
Level one, servlets, JSP, JSTL tag, servlet lifecycle, request dispatcher,
Yeah,
inter-servlet communication, all of these things. So
all of these things.
there's a question for you. Right after
Yeah,
90 days, did you started with the placements or did you
yeah.
take time to prepare?
I took 3 to 4 days time to prepare. To be very honest, I took 3 to 4 days just to recall all the concepts, and I uploaded. And from the very next day, I got calls.
Right. The very next day you
Even
started getting
even
calls.
yeah, I was getting calls right now also. In the
Right.
morning, I got a call.
Okay. So any advices, Sayed, you want to give it to your juniors here? You know that what are the things they should do it to be successful as you have already passed that journey. You started, you finished your training, you got placed. So any advices, your experience, in your
Well,
experience, what they should be doing, okay, to get more and more successful results.
okay. Let me tell you very clear that if you think you're late, you're not. Okay. When I started Pankaj Sir Academy, I attended almost everything, all the classes, everything. But in between, I got distracted and like for like 10 to 15 days. So I thought it was the end for me. Like I discontinued the course, and now like there's too much for me to cover. But I covered it. It took time, and in the meantime, in the starting, I was studying 3 to 4 hours only, and in between the course, I was like spending 11, 10 to 11 hours per day just to cover the things which I skipped. So that's how I covered it. And talking about my interview, so they called me a day before and they said that we are scheduling your interview for the next day at 11 a.m. So I attended that interview. It was the first interview which I gave at Nugent Soft. Okay. Firstly, I was thinking I won't be going to Mumbai, but then I realized like what's there to give the interview. So I'll attend the interview first. So I gave the interview at 11 a.m. and it was like half an hour to 40 minutes interview. And after completing the first round, 15 to 20 minutes later, they called me like, you have cleared the first round and are you available for the second discussion today itself at 2 p.m.? And I was a bit nervous that, okay, I cleared the first round. I was happy too, but things went on, and I said yes. Okay, I'll be attending the second round today itself. So that was all about the project things which you did, and the things you have mentioned in your CV. Uh, you should know each and every point which you have mentioned here. Okay, so after attending that for 30 minutes, I got a call again after 20 minutes that you have cleared your round, and are you available for the HR discussion today at 6:15 p.m. I remember the time exactly, as it was my first day with the interview, and I was getting 3 rounds in a single day. So that was the HR discussion, and in which the HR asked me about the project also, and quite deep questions about the project in the HR round also. But those 2 rounds which I gave earlier that day, they gave me like so much confidence with that. So I went through all the rounds, and I got a confirmation mail. It was on Saturday, so I got a confirmation mail on Monday that you have been cleared and you have to submit your documents. This. So later on, I got the offer letter for like about 8 to 10 days after the interview. I got the offer letter. That's it. That was my journey.
Right. So that was pretty good explanation, Sayed. And as I said, people have been messaging, that can I talk to some testers? Of course, we have invited one of the senior, alumni, who will be sharing the inputs about testing as well. Soon I'll be connecting with her. But if you want to connect, somebody message now, can I get BCA student? So you can always call on this number, and I'm sure we should be able to provide you those details. Okay, you can have a detailed discussion with them. So people, qualification, percentage, all these things doesn't matter, but skills, they do matter. Okay. Thank you so much, Sayed, for joining us.
Thank you, sir.
And we wish you all the best. Right?
And
Keep
thank you,
progressing,
sir.
keep learning.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us everything, every basic thing. And it's like we owe you everything, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Most welcome, Sayed, and keep progressing, right? Thank you so much for joining us. Let's invite the next attendee for the day. Okay, so I will be inviting Yashashwini. Hello, is that the audience or I missed that name?
Hello, sir. Hello.
Very, very good morning.
Very good morning, sir.
Right, so please tell us about your qualification, year of pass out, percentage, stream, from which location you are, which course did you complete here, and which all companies did you get placed? Can you please do let us know that?
Well, I'm Ashaswini. I'm in Tumkur. I completed engineering in Channabasaveshwar Institute of Technology in CIT Gubbi. I'm 2020 pass out. I placed in 5 companies. One is Tech Mahindra, Newgen, Mar Labs, Inspirisys, and IBM.
Wow. So you got
With,
5 offer letters.
yeah, sir. I got 5 offer letters.
Right, amazing. Okay. And you said 2020 you did your engineering from Tumkur itself. And what's your stream?
Sir, electronics and communication.
Electronics and communication. Okay, please go ahead. Tell us about the lowest and the highest package of yours, as audience are asking.
Lowest package 2.5 in Inspirisys. In highest package 5.5 in IBM.
Okay, 5.5 in IBM. Right.
Yes,
So when did you join us?
but Capgemini people, they told like I'm offer with more than IBM. You can join in my company also. They call yesterday, sir. But what I do, I'm thinking.
Go for IBM. That's a good company. We have a lot of students working there. For 50,000-60,000 rupees, don't look here and there. Go for IBM. It's an excellent organization. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so let's start with basically the details like your percentage. That's yet another thing they're asking. So let's take the audience query. And when did you join us actually? Can you tell us?
Sir, Monday, sir.
No. When did you join our academy?
Sir, February 23rd batch, sir.
February 23rd, 2021 batch. Right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So tell us about your percentage. That's one thing we forgot to ask.
Yeah, sir. 70%, sir.
70%.
But the percentage is no matter, sir.
Yes, it's not a
No
matter because
company ask what.
No company asks for the percentage actually, right? So
Yeah,
very
sir.
happy to listen to that. That will give a lot of confidence to other people. She is placed as a Java developer. Okay, as per my knowledge, let's start with the questions for the day. What all things did they ask you in core Java? Let's start with that. Advanced Java. How many rounds of interview were there? Did you successfully skip your return test? Let's start the discussion from there.
Yeah, sir. In Tech Mahindra, there are 4 rounds is there. In IBM also 3 rounds. Capgemini 3 rounds. But in IBM, I'm so lucky, sir, because they ask uh, how rating you are in Java developer. I rate myself 1 or 2. Just told 1 or 2, but they ask uh, um, um, they ask only one question. Tell me hoops concept and public wide string. This are all explained. That's it, sir.
So the normal procedure of people struggling for the placements, I'm sure it wouldn't have been that easy, right? With just couple of questions and you're selected with a package of 5.5 LPA.
Yeah,
So
sir.
I think our placement strategies is working really well.
Yeah, sir. Next HR round, they ask so many things, sir. In
Okay.
technical, they ask only 2 questions. In tech HR round, they ask so many questions. In
Right,
advanced
right.
Java only.
Okay. So what all questions they asked in advanced Java can you tell me?
Sir, first of annotations. Spring difference between Spring and Spring Boot, and Hibernate. Main thing my project question.
Project work. So they focus a lot on project work, annotations used in your project,
Yeah,
especially
sir.
the Spring Boot annotations, right? The
Yeah, sir.
frameworks concept. I can probably put it
And
across in this
JSP
way.
and JSTL tags.
JSP and JSTL tags.
MySQL query, sir.
Okay,
They are they given scenario based on my coding there.
Okay, what scenario they gave? It was something a general scenario they gave and told you to write SQL query on that.
Yeah, sir. They given like what uh, sir, I forget it
Okay,
because I attended so many company. What the
right.
question?
So how many companies you attended actually the interview?
Sir, I attended 20 companies, sir.
20 companies.
Almost 20 company. But one day I get a call 20 or 20 more company I get a call per day, sir.
Per
It's
day you are getting 20 plus calls. So was it true the first day of introduction I said we'll make your phones as call centers. You'll keep getting calls back to back.
yeah, sir. In my family, they ask, they think they keep as if
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead. You can talk like it's a direct talk when don't be nervous about anything. So they've been asking that how many calls you've been getting in per day, right? So
yeah,
nice
sir.
to see that. Okay, that you got placed in 5 companies. Okay, and the highest package offered is 5.5 LPA, right? See, more than I'm telling you this to everyone, more than communication skills. Again, I'm stressing on this point. Technically, if you're strong, you can win this battle of getting placed, right? Because as a developer, knowledge matters more, right? And technical knowledge, if you're able to portray that properly during interview, that's it, you're through. So, any advices you want to give them, the audience, okay? And did they ask any questions on JavaScript?
Yes, sir. Sir, simply what you teach that
Hello, your voice is breaking in between actually. Hello, Ishwani, we're not able to hear you. I see there is no. Okay. You're there still?
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you back. So how many
Ah.
hours did you study per day? That is what the audience is asking.
Sir, I'm lazy, sir. I studied 2 hours. One.
Oh my God. So being lazy, you ended up with 5 offer letters. That's something.
Yeah, sir. But
Right.
in 2 hours, I struggle a lot, sir.
Okay, so very dedicated that 2 hours. Finish the work and then after that take again relax for the whole day.
Yeah, sir.
Right. Okay. So did you miss any of my classes? Or you were very punctual?
No, sir.
You did not miss even a single class?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so 100% attendance was there from your side.
Yes.
Okay, right. Okay, so happy to see that you are not lazy to attend my classes actually. Okay. Let's come to
Thank
the
you, sir.
point. Core Java, what all things they asked roughly, can you tell us in all the companies where you
Yeah, sir. They
attended?
asked. They asked only hoops concept,
Okay,
mainly hoops concept,
okay,
and sir, overloading and overriding main difference,
okay,
and the class, sir. Class. What is class?
okay. What
And
is class?
collection concept.
Okay,
Constructor.
constructor.
Default
Okay,
constructor is main.
okay. Default constructor is main. They're asking that.
Yes, sir. And hash map and uh,
Table.
hash table.
Yeah, hash map and hash table.
Final keyword.
Final keyword.
Uh, Sir, and primary key and foreign key, sir. Main
Okay,
difference.
SQL, primary key and foreign key.
SQL.
Okay,
And integration. Integration. Inheritance.
inheritance. Right. So I think a lot of interviews you've attended, you're just slowly recollecting all the information. But anyways, you want to give any advices to your juniors who are studying here? Is there any advices you would like to give it to them that what they should do, how they should prepare, and what should be their strategy? Any advices you want to give them? Hello. Right. Again, she is having some network problem. Right. She was an online attendee, though. Okay, she was not an offline attendee. She was taking my classes online, and that is the journey of Yashashwini. We will try to connect with her again. There is some problem. I'm seeing that in the mic. Okay, we're not able to hear her. But anyways, we'll invite the next person, Shivani. Okay, let's invite Shivani. Uh, very good morning, Shivani.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. So, Shivani, please give us quick introduction from which place you are. What's your qualification, year of pass out, which company did you get placed, your package, which is the common thing students have been asking. When did you
Yes.
join PSA? How many hours per you studied? Let's start
Okay.
with that. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So first of all, I want to thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my experience. And I am from Ramnagar, Karnataka only. So I completed my graduation in 2020, and after in Jan 2020-21, I joined the PSA for a full stack Java developer. And I was attending 2 months. I have attended offline classes, and afterwards again lockdown by held. Again I went on online only. So the thing is, I got selected in around 6 to 7 companies.
Oh,
Yes,
right. So,
sir.
is that a competition going on in PSA that we will never get placed in one company?
Sir,
6 to 7.
sir, you remembered that in our batch, whoever gets more offer letter, I will be giving a prize of. So that's where the competition starts.
Whoa, so that was a good thing. So, I said that I'm going to give them a car.
Yes, yes.
Right. So I think like I should run this competition because the same batch we had one of the guy taking 12 offer letters.
Yes, sir.
Your batch it was?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Jan 28 batch.
Nikhil PB, right? From civil background.
Yeah, maybe.
Right. Okay. So tell us about the company now. We have a lot of things to listen from you. Shivani. So
Yes,
firstly,
sir.
6, 7 companies when you got placed, what all questions they asked? How did you face the interviews? And what's your highest package they have offered? Can you please tell us?
Yes, sir. Firstly, I got selected in Emphasis, and then Capgemini, then again Tech Mahindra, TCS, and again I got in Deloitte, and now I have got selected
So is it all the companies are MNC companies?
in Newgen and IBM also.
Oh, you don't
The
remember
package they offered
completely,
me Deloitte. Yes, sir.
right? I'm feeling very happy about it to see that,
Yeah,
like, you know, every
even
time I
some
conduct
more
this.
companies are in pipeline. I have in final round like CGI and Zoom Cars. These are the companies I'm in final round still.
Okay,
I even after getting offer letters, I'm keep on attending the interviews to gain experience.
right. And I think your confidence level would be much higher once you get an offer. The other companies
Yes,
to
sir.
attend interview, confidence level automatically shoots up.
Yes, yes.
So,
And finally,
tell us about the questions. What all questions did they ask you in the interviews? Can you please tell
yes,
us
yes.
more about it?
Yes, sir. The first round will be technical round. Either it will be technical or sometimes there will be a written test that is also based on technical only. The questions might be simple like core Java questions like OOPS concepts, and they will give the practical examples on the inheritance, interface, abstract. They want to confuse us, like giving the even if we give right answer, they will confuse us whether we are confident or not. They want to check with them. So and
Right. So, practical examples are very important. Just telling what is
yes,
inheritance is not enough. Where did you use this
yes, yes,
practically? So,
yes.
what is your lowest and highest package? Can you please tell us, Shivani?
Sir, lowest package is 3 LPA. Highest will be 6 or 7.
6 or 7 LPA, is it?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
How much IBM did they offer you?
Sir, they offered 4 LPA.
4 LPA. And
Yes.
Deloitte,
6 LPA they offered.
6 LPA. And which company offered 7 LPA?
Sir, KPMG they offered me 7 LPA.
Okay,
Still,
we're just trying to
yes,
understand the company standard, that which company
yes,
is offering
yes,
how much. KPMG offered you 7 LPA, is it?
yes, sir.
Okay, right. And which company did you decide to join?
Sir, I have decided to join Deloitte. So
Okay,
next month, 2nd August, my joining date is there.
next month, 2nd is your joining date, right?
Yes.
So I think all your worries, tension, everything would have come to an end now.
Yes, sir. Sir, the moment when you receive the offer letter, all your efforts that converts into happiness. No, that moment really unforgettable.
Right, most welcome.
Yes, sir.
Right. So, very happy to see that, like, that 90 days of efforts, what students they put, or, what we're putting in at our end, combination, it has given an excellent impact. We're very happy to see you have really done a good work, Shivani, where,
Thank you, sir.
almost 7 offer letters you have got it, and that's really a very good achievement. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
a lot of confidence giving to other people that even
And
they
one
can.
more thing, sir. You don't want to consider about, don't want to worry about your percentage or your CGPA.
No, I
It
didn't. I'm not
doesn't
able to hear
matter.
you, Shivani.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, you should not worry about your CGPA or percentage. It doesn't matter. Even I'm telling frankly, my CGPA is very less. I was scared that will I be able to get a job or not. So I was see.
Wow. I think what else now? I want to know your percentage now. Please
No,
tell me.
sir. uh, like 5.5. My CGPA was.
5.5.
Yes.
Wow. So I think today it's been one of the best day, where we had couple of students having low percentages, and in fact, the number of offers what she has got in spite of that percentage is a benchmark that's been created. The same thing, Uday Kumar. You notice that he got an excellent package out there, and that's amazing. Seriously, I'll tell you, that's amazing. That should give a lot of confidence to people. So, how many hours daily you were studying? Can you please tell us? How was
Uh,
your dedication level? How many hours per day you studying? Can you please tell us?
Yes, sir. Before starting interview, I was not that much concerned about studies. I used to study whatever you have teached in a class. I used to practice that. That's it. No extra practice or learning will be not done. So after getting into the interview, I used to work on that because some of the questions which I have asked I couldn't answer or could not answer. So I used to make the note of questions where I have weak and I have not able to answer, and the next day or the night on that day I will used to prepare on those questions. Maybe I would have taken more than one midnight, 1 hour, 2 hour I have studied on my skills and I have improved myself day by day. I used to practice coding on HackerRank, so where I improved my coding skill also. In that way, I have practiced more than 5 to 6 hours daily.
Right. Okay. So that's really, very amazing, Shivani. And
Yes,
we're
sir.
very happy. Okay. So how happy your family members are? Can you please tell us?
So the calls initially, the calls when interview calls were coming now. So my family members told, "Have you joined the call center or what?" Like that they started. So
Right.
because so much calls I was getting per day, and for whole 1 week, my interview schedules are slotted. I was not having date also, and like they are happy now.
Right. So we have a question from Rahul. I see some negative reviews about your institute. Please tell us why. So can you answer that, Shivani?
Uh, Sir, it doesn't matter the negative reviews on Google is truth because once you get into the academy, then only you get to know actual what it is, what the interview preparation and the course preparation or the internship preparation is going on. You don't believe that whatever the negative things are there. One thing you have to wait, you also something you have to get things good, right? You have to wait for some time, and after that only you will get good result. That is the thing, sir.
Right. See, point is there are dedications that is required. These are all kept aside. The 90 days of our training program is so important. Okay, that people, if they're dedicated, they end up with the best results. And as per my knowledge, right now, almost every batch of mine, 90% plus students in every batch are getting right. So Jan month, I don't think so. There's anyone left, especially from Shivani's batch, because whoever was here, they're almost everyone through. So it all matters, that how you people practice, put efforts, and all these things is very very important, right? Slightest distraction spoils the result. So any advices you want to give it, Shivani, to your juniors?
Sir, my suggestion is keep patience, so nothing comes easily. Work hard and keep practicing. Believe in yourself. Be confident, and you will be succeeded. That's it.
Right. So thank you so much. So that was all about Shivani. She holds highest offer letter for the day. As I said, there's numbers out there. If you want more advices from them, you can always connect with the base students. And I think this lockdown back to back, we've been having a lot of exclusive cases, a lot of exclusive, results which I've seen where the highest offer letters in the last 3 months, one of the student has touched 12, and I think after that, she's the next candidate who has touched 7 offer letters. She stands on position number 2, the last 3 months of statistics which I'm taking it. So congrats, okay, and best of luck. Keep progressing, keep learning, Shivani. We wish you
Thank you,
all
sir.
the best. Let's invite the next person, okay, and that's Rahul. Very good morning, Rahul.
Good morning, sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah. So wait from a very long time. Been interacting with a lot of students. You had to wait.
Yes, I was desperate to talk with you, sir.
Right. Same here. Same here. I'm very desperate to talk all 3 students. Saturdays is one of the best day of mine. So
Yes, sir.
tell us more about your qualification, Rahul. From which place you are? What's your year of pass out percentage? All of these things. Can you please tell us more about it?
Okay, sir. So my name is Rahul Bhadra. So I am from Northeast Agartala. So basically, I have done my BTech in Tripoli, Electrical Electronics. In 2020, I passed out. So basically, I want to come to Bangalore and want to study. So basically, I went on Google and searched best institute in Bangalore. So the Pankasar Academy popped out. So I watched the review. It's 4.5. It's good. So I just uh, enter into that website and see all the photos and all. Suddenly, I got a message in my mobile that install this Pankasar Academy app and yeah, attend the demo classes. So I just attend the demo classes. I so impressed by your teaching, sir. So I just anyhow convince my mom and dad and anyhow come in Bangalore for study. So basically, I'm from March 18 batch and I placed in three companies. So one is Capgemini, second is Tech Mahindra, and third one is LTI.
You're from March 18th batch, which means your complete classes went online, I believe. Am I right, Rahul?
No. Actually, I attend offline classes in one month. Then I went in online.
Oh,
I
yeah.
talked
March
with
18th,
also.
1 month. Correct. It was 1 month
Talked
offline,
with
then
you.
lockdown happened, then we moved it to online. Right.
Yes.
So, tell me more about how happy your family members are. Let's try to know that.
They are more happy. Actually, they didn't accept for me. They thought that they thought he will go and he will just like that. But now they are realizing that I use my spend wisely and all. So basically, I was just even crazy. I just deleted my Instagram, Facebook, and all, and just study in the PG. Everyone, I did not talk with my relative and all. I just cut out of the friends and also everything. I just focus on 3 months like study.
Right. So that is what we tell. When you study, please be away from social media like
Yes, sir.
Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Thank God TikTok is blocked actually. Right.
Yes.
So that keeps a lot of disturbances away and the focus level would be much higher. So tell us more about, we have certain questions for you. What is your highest package they've offered?
Sir, basically, Capgemini offered me 6 LPA, and Tech Mahindra is offered me 4.5, but they are asking about means they can offer my Capgemini, and then other one is LTI. LTI is giving me 4 LPA.
Right. Okay. So 6 LP is what you have touched. That's your highest package, and your password is 2020, right?
Yes.
2020.
Capgemini is my first interview. Means I have means in Tuesday I uploaded uploaded this Miss Naukri. Friday I got a call. Saturday I had a interview. Sunday I got the call that I selected. It's
Right.
in
So it
4
was a very
days.
quick process.
Yes.
See, that is what I tell people studying here. If you're practicing daily, 90 days later, I think 1 or 2 weeks you should be able to give the result. But you
Yes,
have
sir.
to practice. Okay.
Yes,
Which
sir.
day you place? So he already mentioned that. Digambar, that which day he has got placed, by the way. Right. Now let's continue a bit further with the questions. Can you please tell us what questions did they ask you, Rahul, and
Yeah.
more deep insights about what are the expectations of interviewers? Can you please begin with that?
So, sir, basically they asked me about only in core Java, like in the Capgemini first question is why is constructor? Then if we change the constructor name, what will happen? How we use means what is the deep shallow and copy shallow constructor? Then why how you can make constructor and then all then he started with encapsulation, polymorphism, difference between overriding and overloading. Then he went to the string. Then he asking about hash map, then internal working of hash map, then iterator, then iterator, then yeah, that's all
So
about in core Java. Then he went to the SQL, like primary, foreign, why use foreign key, difference between primary and foreign key, then joins, then yeah, that's all. From then he went to Spring Boot.
joins, and that's one of the very commonly asked question in most of the companies I've seen. Most of the alumni meet students have been claiming this. Joins is one of the very important concepts in SQL. So please be prepared. Collection, yet again, very important concept. And oops, oh my God, that is something guaranteed in every interview. It has to come. And please ensure that you have practical implementations of inheritance, everything very clearly put in your mind, so that when they ask where did you use this practically, you should be able to explain that. So did they ask anything about the project work?
No, Capgemini did not ask for a project, but Tech Mahindra and LTI asked about my project.
Okay, and what all questions did they ask in project? In Spring, any questions did they ask, Rahul?
Yeah, Spring, like Spring MVC architecture, then why we Spring, then difference between Spring and Spring Boot. Then another one, yeah, then they ask about JDBC also, like post versus get method, then
Right, post and
scriptlet
get
tag,
method.
yeah, scriptlet tags, then how we write scriptlet tags, why use JSP and all.
Excellent. So that was really very much confidence giving. So any advices you want to give your juniors here? Okay, I want to
Yes,
ask
sir.
this personally to you. Was there any difference in online and offline classes because you attended both? You were offline and then you attended online. Did you find any difference?
No, sir, it's actually almost same, but for me, offline is best for me personally.
Okay,
Actually, I
and
can interact with you directly.
right. So you personally feel that offline is better for you. So why is that you felt offline is better?
Sir, actually, like I have before entering into the PSA Academy, so I have three problems. Like I can't talk properly. I'm not fluent in English also. And then I have a confidence problem also. After coming into the Bangalore, then went to the PSA and learning new thing every day, make me so confident that I become my English become also fluent. Even in the Bangalore, beggar can speak in English. So like a
That was a
like
very cool analogy, Rahul. I did not
yeah.
find any beggar speaking in English actually, but that's something like a very cool analogy. Yeah, that's very much true. Even auto drivers they speak
Yes,
in English.
everyone. So for
Everyone
me, like a
almost, yeah.
engineering student, I have to speak. Otherwise, it will shame for me.
Right. Okay, so it was nice talking to you, Rahul. We wish you all the best. Keep learning, keep progressing, and be
Thank,
more and more successful. Okay, so we
thank
wish you
you.
all the
Thank,
best.
sir. I want to thank you. Almost all credit goes to you. Because of you, I am here, sir. I am so happy. My family member also happy, sir.
Definitely, Rahul, when you progress, remember the family progresses.
I'll come to meet you after coming to Bangalore.
Definitely. I owe, you owe me a party actually. So you're going to
Yes,
come back
sir.
and give me a party. You're going to get
Yes, sir.
something,
Me and
really cool, uh, delicacies from your place, Assam, when you're back here.
yeah. Sir, basically, I'm not from Assam, but it's nearby Assam.
Or
So
nearby
yeah,
Assam.
yeah, it's like sweets I can.
Yeah, amazing. I'll enjoy that. Okay. Thank you so much, Rahul. Okay. So,
Yeah.
wish you all the best. Thank you once again joining us. So, communication is not important as mentioned. Even Rahul said he had these issues with communication skills, and if it is manageable, you should be able to get a job. I don't think so. That's a challenge. Okay. Now, let's invite. I think, yeah, there is a bit of, yeah, we got a bit late. So, a lot of people actually in between interviews, that everything happened. So Lusna, are you there? Okay, Lusna, are you there? Yeah, I was about to call the tester itself. That is the next round I wanted actually about the testers. Okay, she's not there. Okay, so anyways, guys, I hope this alumni meet was really confidence giving. We had a lot of case studies presented in front of you, a lot of interview questions students have given you, their journey, seriousness, consistency, lot of information has been passed on to you. So I believe, okay, that this alumni meet this Saturday should give you more confidence, especially the next batch getting ready for placements. Okay, so please be very serious and keep making a note of all these questions. So I think this gives you a lot of confidence, guys. Yes, we had a lot of mix and match cases. Okay, and we wish you all the best. Okay, and keep learning, keep progressing, be dedicated. See, because when you're dedicated and you're 100% sure that you want to get a job, then nobody can stop you from getting a job. So this is very, very important that you people turn out to be very serious. Whoever is learning here, be dedicated. Do not miss the classes. That's very important. Revise the lectures as many times as you can. as we have, somebody asked me, do you give recorded classes? Yes, we do give recorded classes. Rahul Raj, we have not decided any date in August yet, but we get the notification in the app. So thank you. Bye bye. Take care. And I would wind up my today's session here. Bye bye.